Yo, what's up, people? This is Ali, and welcome to Per Lemon SEO. Today, we are going to understand how to find non-HTTPS links. So, HTTP links on your web page. It's really easy. What you gotta do is you gotta install this extension that's called SEO Meta in one click, right? That's what you install. Once installed, you will be able to see the title, the description, meta title and meta description we are talking about, and lot of other information. But what we are interested in for now is the links section. Once we go there, we'll see that in here we have something called https parliamentcatering.com, and this is occurring twice. So means that we have two HTTP links, right, on our pages. And you can keep going and search if there is any other HTTP, but through this, you will know what is there and what is not, and how many times something is being repeated, right? In here, we have tell, and another one is tell, another one is mail to, right? So now the question is where to find it? Well, it's really easy. You have to just find it. Right click in here, you have to go into inspect. So what first you did is you first found the link, and now you want to basically look at exactly where it is. So that is also really easy. What you got to do is basically open inspect element, control F, http per lemoncatering.com. And as you can see, we have found our HTTP, and we can click on once more, and we have found our other HTTP. And if you see in here, you have one link, you have two links. So you have two HTTP links. Cool. Okay, guys, that was all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.